Broker Show, brought to you by Remen Wholesale.
You know, one of the best ways for a mortgage broker to increase their productivity, their income, and personal market saturation is to have your real estate agents sell your clients homes.
Yes! Sell them a home.
That clears the pipe, it lightens the load.
Yeah.
The burden that you carry of having too many clients in your pipeline right now doing too little about buying a house.
It's not gonna work.
Why?
There's no inventory, dude. None.
That will work. There is inventory.
That won't work when every listing is on par with Mortal Kombat. Offers way over asking, releasing contingencies at the point of offer. It's not gonna happen.
You see, Frank, here's where you're wrong, because a good seasoned agent will overcome these type of obstacles that you're talking about.
Okay.
An agent who gets their weekly disc test to see what color they are that day. One who has more NAR designations than they have sales. An agent who never passes on a swag offering.
I'm telling you. Stop it. Look, there's a number of indicators that our anemic inventory might actually be getting better. Why? Well, first, really, it could get much worse. And here's a graph of inventory from 2019 to 2020. And as you can see, inventory is down a remarkable 32%. And if we look at a longer window, you can see that our inventory is down nearly 70% from our height of 1.788 million listings in early 2019. So, history dictates and even demands that what goes down, like our inventory, must go up.
Yeah, you're right, Frank, and I'll better you one here. What goes down, like interest rates, they also have to go back up.
At the beginning of 2019, rates were pushing 5%. Remember that, Brian?
I do.
5%.
I do. Outrageous.
Now about 3 on a 30-year conforming as our national averages. That's 2% lower than just a couple of years ago, and going back to 1971, the average rate was 8%.
8%,
yes.
dude.
Swallow that
Average.
pill. Swallow that pill, right? So yes, it would stand to reason that rates will tick up. That will pull purchase power down and reduce demand, which gives inventory a chance to recover.
And according to some of your newly minted competition as a loan officer or real estate agent, a Zillow economist named Trey Manhertz said March often sees a boost in inventory, which is good for us, and the return to some seasonal norms is a positive sign that supply, our houses, is beginning to catch up with demand. With home values skyrocketing, vaccination rates rising, and employees getting long-term guidance on where they can work, we expect an increased number of homeowners to join the market and list their houses in the coming months. That will come as welcome news to our home shoppers who are seeing bidding wars and homes just plucked from the market weeks faster than usual.
And how about new construction? We've built 12% more new homes this year over last year, and that number is only going to increase.
So it looks like for the second half of 2021, we are going to see some much needed inventory to bring some normalcy, stability back to the overall housing market.
Okay guys, so we put one of the articles that we drew this information from down below about inventory getting better. What you can do with that, and again, you can just follow the instructions by how to use TBS up above, but basically you can click on that link to that story below, click on the Facebook share button, and then I've also put down below a little script or a little text that you can copy and paste into that Facebook post, basically saying, hey, if you're a buyer out there and you've kind of been holding off because there's no inventory, it looks like it's coming back, get a hold of me and let's get you pre-qualified. This can help you drum up some business. If you want real details on how to get this done, click the link up above or the navigation tab that says how to use TBS. Well, thanks for tuning into That Broker Show, and That Broker Show is brought to you by Remen Wholesale, who, by the way, is your leading lender when it comes to renovation loans. If you're not doing renovation loans, you're missing out on a market segment that could help fill your pipeline right now. Remen helps you from start to finish. They take care of all the disbursements of funds, everything, and they'll teach you exactly how to get it done. Let a Remen account executive help you learn how to do renovation loans and become that niche expert in your area to get more business and help your realtor partners out. You can learn all about it by clicking this banner you see on your screen right here, this image, just straight down below. Click it, fill out the form, and a Remin account executive will get a hold of you to teach you all about renovation loans. And if you just want to get a hold of Remin for all the other great stuff that they've got going on right now, there's a blue Access Remin button in your upper right-hand corner. Click that and you can engage with them right away. You guys have a great one. We'll catch you next week here on That Broker Show.